Hi friends, and welcome to another Phonics Fun video. Today we're going to go over ED endings, or ED at the end of words, and what that means. So first we have our goal. So you will say, I can use the ending ED when forming the past tense of a verb. All that means is, you will be able to use the letters ED at the end of words and know that they mean that a verb or action word has already happened. Alrighty, so a verb, yet again, is an action word, and it always answers the question, what is that person or thing or animal doing? Okay, so there's a bunch of different actions, and you've seen these before. Smile, talk, dance, think, watch. Try is one if you're trying to do something. Skate is one. Riding your bike is one. Walking, right? All those kinds of things. It could be a movement you do with your body. It could be something in your head, like thinking. But all of those are actions, okay? So what are you doing? Just think, what are you doing? And that's a verb. Okay, now we've spoken before how verbs can happen 3 different times. So they've either already happened, they either are happening right now, or they're going to happen in the future. Now what's really cool about verbs and them having these 3 different times is this is going to help you a lot when you're writing so that you can tell your reader about something that happened long time ago or something funny, right? Or it could also help you with when you're writing, telling the reader, when something happens, but also if you're talking about a story, you're also going to write about, what happened first, what happened next, what happened then. But usually when you're writing about something that's already happened, you're using what we call the past tense or past. Now there's 2 ways that a verb can show you it's already happened. It'll either have ED at the end, or a vowel will be changed, or some kind of spelling change, right? So 2 ways. ED, which is the first one. So here I have the verb jump, and I add ED at the end, and now it says jumped. Jumped. So I know that already happened. They're not jumping anymore. Okay, next one is an example of a vowel change. So I have the word throw. Instead of me saying, oh, she's throwing something at me, maybe it already happened. So I'm going to say, she threw, notice that O changes to an E, something at me. Either way, that's sad. But those are our 2 ways. So either ED or a vowel change. Keep that in mind. There is another way. And this usually happens when we have E or a magic E at the end of a word. So when that happens, we're just adding the letter D. So instead of adding another ED, we're just going to add the letter D there. So smile, change to smiled. That way you don't have 2 E's in the middle. Wouldn't that look funny? All right, loves. So here's what we're going to do for practice. You're going to change the verbs that you are given to the past tense, meaning you're going to show me that they already happened. Now, you're either going to add ED or you're going to change a vowel. More often than not, I'm going to have you practice adding ED because the vowel change can be a little tricky, and those you have to just remember. Okay, loves, try this one. So how can I show that jump already happened in the past? Let's see. Okay, so jump turned to jumped. Notice you're just adding ED at the end there. Again, a lot of these you're just going to add ED, so just keep that in mind when you get a verb. Okay, look. Let's see, how can I show that already happened? Changes to looked. So again, adding ED. Okay, dance. Ooh. Notice this one ends in an E, so we have a special rule. If it already ends in E, and time. Okay, so dance, I made the mistake of highlighting both, but notice that E was already there for dance. So now we just had to add the letter D, just like in smile. Very good if you got that. Keep going. Read this one. Okay, so push turns to pushed. Very good. All right, friends. So I know that was a pretty short practice today, but I have a strong feeling you nailed that. So if you practiced with me, just go ahead, give you your check for that. A good check. We're checking it off, right? You still have to finish up any packet work, right? And also be sure to play on Epic and Zern. I say play because some of it's real fun. Okay, with that being said, thank you so much for spending time with me today and practicing, and come back tomorrow for another Phonics Fun video.